The RK84 from Kludge was a small form factor keyboard I reviewed back in late 2021, and I gave it a positive score, but there were many areas for improvements. So now they have released an updated model of the RK84, so we're going to take a look at what those improvements are in this video. Hey, if you enjoy content like this, drop a like, make sure to subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss another video. Hey, what is going on guys, Danny here, welcome back to the channel and I hope you've all been doing well. Today we're going to be taking a look at two keyboards that were sent over by Kludge. These two keyboards are their limited edition versions of the RK84 mechanical keyboard. Now I reviewed the RK84 in late 2021, so I won't be doing a full-on review of these keyboards, as what I'll be doing is mainly highlighting the improvements Kludge have made to this new limited edition version. If you're interested in learning more about the RK84, then you should definitely check out the review on my channel. I'll have a link for it in the video description below. To start off, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the keyboard. The RK84 limited edition comes boxed in Kludge's signature orange and black box. I have mentioned before that a bit of packaging foam inside the box would be nice to see, but so far there haven't been any issues and I've received multiple review units, so haven't been any problems. In the box you get the keyboard itself, which is wrapped in a plastic sleeve. Along with that you get a USB Type-C to C cable, which also has a Type-A adapter on one end, which is really convenient. You do also get some magnetic feet, extra RK yellow switches. Along with that you do get a keycap and switch puller. So as mentioned earlier, there were two versions sent out to me. The main differences between them are the colors of the keycaps and the colors of the case and frame. The first one we'll take a look at is called Macchiato White. This one comes with light gray, dark gray, and golden brown keycaps. The second one they sent was called Americano Black, which, as the name implies, has a black case and frame. Along with that, this one comes with white and black keycaps and some red accent keycaps as well. Apart from the color schemes, both versions offer the same exact features. The keycaps included with these boards are ABS, and only the top portion is double shot, but they still feel fairly high quality and durable. Definitely better than the stock keycaps that came with the original RK84. As for the switches, this is what will have the greatest impact in terms of your typing experience. The original RK84 came with red switches, which were just cherry clones. They didn't really feel great and were noticeably scratchy. In the RK84 limited edition, what you're going to get are their RK yellow switches. These switches feel pretty similar to Gateron yellow switches I've used in the past. These switches feel much better, the quality and feedback you get from them is great. The RK yellow switches are rated at 45 grams of operating force and 4 millimeters of total travel, so they are a bit heavier than the reds, but I like them better this way, as I generally prefer heavier switches. The nice thing about these included switches is that they come factory lubed, and I think these were carefully hand lubed because I couldn't really feel any sort of scratchiness from them. They were buttery smooth. I've dealt with some factory lubed switches before, and while there is an improvement over stock, there is quite a bit of scratchiness and consistency isn't perfect. These on the other hand didn't have that problem. Another important aspect of the keyboard I wanted to talk about were the stabilizers. Typically, I found Kludge's stabilizers to be well tuned out of the factory. The stabilizers on the RK84 limited edition are no exception. They come factory lubed and there's practically no wobble or rattle that I could feel or hear. The other improvement they made to the RK84 limited edition is the inclusion of sound dampening foam. Sound dampening foam wasn't present in the original RK84. Here they have added a layer to the bottom of the case, and there is a second layer between the PCB and top metal plate. This helps reduce case ping and makes the keyboard sound less hollow, therefore providing a more premium sound profile and one that isn't too obnoxious. So that essentially covers all the improvements I wanted to highlight which they made to the RK84. So now let's move on to the sound test. Alright, so after taking a listen to the sound test, the keyboard sounds pretty good. It has a subtle clacky tone, but it's not very loud either. The quietness is something they did highlight with this board, and that's thanks to the lubed RK yellow switches. As for the typing experience and feedback, it also does a good job there. I might also apply the tape mod to this keyboard to make it sound more profound, but I'm not so sure yet. Overall, the RK84 limited edition takes what was already a decent keyboard and makes all the right improvements. Better keycaps, much better switches, and sound dampening foam really elevates the way it sounds and how it feels to the user. This is a keyboard that I'll recommend to anyone who's looking at a solid board that sounds and feels pretty good out of the box without breaking the bank, which they can end up modding later on. Right now it retails for about $90 on Amazon, which isn't actually too far from the original RK84's price point, so that is a huge thumbs up for me, and sometimes I've even seen it go down $10 or $15 on sale, so if you're interested in picking one up, I'll drop a link in the video description. That'll do it for this one. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys found this video to be informative and entertaining, then leave a like. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Be sure to check out the video description for cool links and ways to support the channel, such as using my Amazon affiliate link. And if you're interested in seeing more content like this, then consider subscribing. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.